In this training series, we will explain the whole benefit of creating 3D PDF files using the SimLab Composer. We will create scene states, enabling us to settle more than one layout for a 3D scene, different materials, lighting, or camera positions. We will also create animations in order to run them in our 3D PDF, whether by pressing on certain objects to activate these animations or play them automatically when opening the PDF file. Next, we will go through the settings and properties of exporting 3D PDF and the benefits of the Template Designer. Most of these settings control the default starting state of the exported 3D PDF file. They can be modified inside the PDF Reader. Here we have opened a 3D PDF scene we've just exported using the free most common software known as Adobe Reader. One essential option to check when opening 3D PDF files using this program is the Enable Playing of 3D Content option found in the Preferences menu. In the opened PDF scene, you can notice that we have placed an action on the drawer to open when clicked on. We can also move between created scene states to present several furnishing layouts. Remember that we can change the user interface of this PDF file in the Composer's settings before exporting. For example, the buttons of scene state transitioning can be turned into thumbnails or any other custom button. You can navigate using the mouse shortcuts appearing the top right corner. Lighting features can also be added before exporting. The scene will be lit by CAD optimized light as a default setting if no lights have been manually added. Though lighting is another adjustable setting that can be controlled via the PDF Reader. Same goes with dimensions and 3D text annotations. These elements can be placed from SimLab Composer before exporting or added using Adobe Reader to be saved over the exported file.